guys, how are you all? This is me, your Vedantu master teacher Arvind Sudhar. I welcome you all once again under the series Bridge Course, right? As all of you know that we are doing functions and graphs, and here we are with the topic modulus. I hope you have gone through the previous session which I have done on modulus. Today I'll revise that thing as well, and I'll teach you how to draw the graphs of functions involving modulus, right? I'll tell you the basic meaning as well today also, and I'll tell you how to draw the graphs of modulus as well, right? So stay focused. We will learn each and everything today, right? It should be absolutely clear in your mind because you will be using these things very frequently in the upcoming days of your preparation, right? Superb, guys. So without wasting much time, I'll quickly take you there, right? Okay, so what do we mean by modulus thing? I told you guys, है ना, modulus is what, दो बार ऐसे करके लगा देते हैं, है ना, whatever I put in, whether positive or negative, the output comes out to be always what? The output comes out to be always positive. Whatever value we put in, the outcome always comes out to be positive. That's why we call modulus also as absolute value functions. Absolute value functions, right? Absolute value functions. I hope everybody is clear. Absolute value, right? That means it is only talking about magnitude, right? Everybody clear? All right, guys, super, है ना? Next thing was, if I put let's say 4 into this, 4, I know 4 is positive, right? I know 4 is positive, so what will be my output? It will be positive, right or not, guys? Right or not? Agree? Okay, super, guys. So it is positive, right? If I put -3 into the modulus, -3 is negative. Everybody knows that. Everybody out there knows this thing or not. -3 is negative, right? So if I put this particular thing into modulus, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting some positive number out of it. And what will be that positive number? That will be 3 only, right or not? So any real number, whether rational, real, decimal, I put into modulus, I'll get a positive number out of it. All right, let's talk about real number line. Guys. Okay, real number, guys. Everybody, real number line. Everybody knows this thing or not? It's 0 over here. Whatever number you write WRIT, right? To the right of 0, RIGHT, right? Okay, all these numbers are what? Positive, right or not? All these numbers are positive, and whatever number you write onto the left of this 0, right? WRIT on the left of 0, they all will be negative, right or not? But what we came to know about modulus is that if my number is, let's say, 1 and -1, if I put both of these numbers into modulus, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting +1, right or not? Because the distance of both of these numbers from 0 is 1 only, right? And absolute value means what? I only talk about magnitude, and magnitude is always positive, right? है ना? So if I put any number into modulus which is at a same distance from origin, right, towards right and towards left, if I put any value, let's say A, so what I'll be getting in the left side of origin at A units, I'll be getting -A, right? So whatever I'll put into modulus, whether A or -A, what I'll get is positive number only, positive A only, right or not? Since here I have taken A to the right hand side of origin, that means I am taking this A as positive here. It's very important. Since I have mentioned this A over here in the positive direction from 0, that means this a I have taken is positive, right? Everybody clear है ना? राइट हैंड साइड में तो जीरो के सारे पॉजिटिव नंबर ही होते हैं, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जितने भी नंबर्स होते हैं जीरो के ऑल ऑफ दीज आर नेगेटिव. एवरीबडी नोज दिस और नॉट? नंबर लाइन के ऊपर, राइट? नंबर लाइन के ऊपर ऐसा ही होता है. ओके ग्रेट. बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एक्स, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एक्स, है ना, अगर मैं लिखूं एक्स माइनस एक्स और प्लस एक्स, ये तीन चीजें, दिस थ्री थिंग्स ओवर हियर, कैन यू गाइस टेल मी विच वन इज पॉजिटिव एंड विच वन इज नेगेटिव? कैन एनीबडी आउट देयर can tell me which one is positive and which one is negative? Anybody out there? Anybody out there? No, because this x is what? This x is a variable. This x is a variable. It can take positive as well as negative values, right? आप जब सॉल्व करते होंगे इक्वेशन तो x equals to +2 भी आता होगा, x equals to -2 भी आता होगा, right or not? Right or not? So if minus is written over here in front of a variable, then I cannot tell that it is a positive number or a negative number, right? This x can be anything. If this x is positive, then minus x will be negative, and if this x is negative, then minus x will be positive, right or not, guys? Right or not? If I'm talking about numbers, then it's very easy, right? +4, I know 4 is positive, that's why +4 will be positive. If I see -4, I know 4 is positive, that's why I can say -4 will be negative, right or not? But I cannot say the same for variables because x is a variable, right? So I cannot say whether this is positive, whether these are positive, these, whether all of these, whether these are positive or not, I cannot say, right? I cannot say. Everybody clear with this thing? या कोई कह भी सकता है? अगर कह रहा है तो गलत है, okay? Because this x is a variable, right? If it is a number, then we can say it is positive or negative. But if x is a variable, then we cannot say that it is positive or negative, right? We cannot say directly, right? We'll have to give, we will have to have some other conditions also, right? Okay, superb. So whenever this thing is written to you guys, whenever this thing is written to you guys, what do you guys do? What do you guys do? What do you guys know? If the thing written inside modulus is positive, if the thing written inside modulus, what is written over there? X. If this x is greater than equal to 0, that means it is positive, right? And how to open a positive number? How to open a positive number? Here, how we did it? We opened it with what? Plus sign, right or not? So that we can get plus of +4 is equals to 4, right or not? है ना? So whenever the thing written inside modulus is positive, I'll open that particular thing with positive sign, right? Everybody clear? And if x is negative, that means the thing written inside the modulus is negative, right? That means this, if this -3 was positive, how did we make it positive? How did we make this one positive? We opened this -3 with a negative sign so that minus and minus can multiply and we can get a positive, that is +3, right or not? So whenever the thing written inside the modulus is negative, we open that particular thing with minus sign so that we can make the outcome positive, right? So here we will have to take care of these conditions, that if x is greater than equal to 0, that means I am assuming that here x is greater than equal to 0, right? Then I can say mod of x will be plus x, right? If my x, which is written inside the modulus, is negative, if this thing inside the modulus is negative, and I know that the output of a modulus function is always positive, or I can say always greater than equal to 0, then if I want the output to be positive, then I'll have to put negative sign since I have taken this x negative in this case. Everybody clear with this thing or not? It is very important, guys. It is very, very, very important, right? Clear? If the thing written inside the modulus is positive, I'll open the modulus with positive sign. And if the thing written inside the modulus is negative, then I'll open the modulus with negative sign. Everybody clear with this thing or not? Clear? All right, let's take a few more examples. If I have been given this particular thing and I want to open this modulus and I want to get rid of this modulus function, how do I do that? If the thing written inside the modulus is positive, what is written there? X minus 1. If x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, right, I'll open this particular thing with a positive sign, right or not? Right or not, guys? And if the thing written inside the modulus, what is written inside the modulus? X minus 1. And if x minus 1 is less than 0, that means this thing is negative. I'll open this modulus. How? I'll open this modulus with a minus sign, so that the overall thing which I take out of this modulus comes out to be positive. Right or not? So I'll open the modulus like this. Again, I'm telling you guys, what people make mistake is that every time they write x here. Every time they write x here. That's why I'm saying this thing again and again. It is x minus 1, and x minus 1 is what? Which is written inside the modulus. Right or not? So if x minus 1 is given greater than equal to 0, then I can definitely say that x is greater than equal to 1. X is greater than equal to 1. Everybody clear? And from here I can say for x less than 1, I'll write this modulus thing as this. Right or not? Everybody clear with these things or not? With these things or not? These are very important, guys. अगर अभी नहीं समझोगे तो you guys will be making a lot of errors. Right? Again, I'm telling you, if the thing written inside the modulus is positive, then only I'll open the modulus with positive sign. And if the thing written inside the modulus is negative, I'll open the modulus sign by writing a minus sign in front of that. Everybody clear? Everybody clear with these things? Alright, let's take one more example so that I can have an idea whether you people got the concepts or not. Alright, so let me write one more example for you guys. Y is equals to 2x plus 1. I'll write 2x plus 1 ka mod. Right? Since this inside thing which is written over there, 2x plus 1, x is a variable, right or not? Right or not? Since this is a variable, sometimes this thing will be positive and sometimes this thing will be negative, right? Okay, so I'll take care of that thing. How will I take care of that thing? If the thing written inside the modulus, that is 2x plus 1, is greater than equal to 0, if the thing written inside the modulus, that is 2x plus 1, is greater than equal to 0, then I'll open the modulus with a plus sign. Everybody clear? If the thing written inside the modulus, what is written over there? 2x minus 1. क्या लिखा हुआ है? 2x plus 1. Okay, I'm sorry, 2x plus 1. If 2x plus 1 is negative, that means the thing written inside the modulus is negative. I'll open that modulus by negative sign. Everybody clear with these things or not? Clear? Everybody clear? Alright. If 2x plus 1 is greater than equal to 0 is given to me, that means 2x is greater than equal to minus 1. I have taken this plus 1 to the right hand side, and can I write this as x is greater than equal to minus half or not? Can I write it? Okay. And what about this? I can write 2x should be less than minus 1, or I can write x is less than minus half. This particular thing means what? This particular thing means what? Number one, how to open the modulus? Whenever the thing written inside it is positive, I'll open with plus sign. If the thing is written inside the modulus is negative, I'll open the modulus by writing a negative sign. Okay, from here I have solved this inequality, right? This is saying me that for x greater than equal to minus half, this particular thing is true. That means 2x plus 1 will be greater than equal to 0. कब कब होगा 2x plus 1 greater than equal to 0? जब x minus half से बड़ा होगा. इसका मतलब क्या है? जब x minus half से बड़ा या बराबर होगा, तब ये चीज होगी पॉजिटिव. और जब ये चीज होगी पॉजिटिव, I'll write the modulus as this. That means what? That means what? That means for x greater than equal to minus half, I can write y is equal to 2x plus 1 ka mod as plus of 2x plus 1. Everybody agree with me or not? For x less than minus half, जब भी x minus half से छोटा होगा, I can write this modulus as what guys? इस मॉड्यूलस को मैं ये लिख सकता हूं. Everybody clear with these things or not? I'll be using these things very frequently in the upcoming lectures. That's why I want each and everyone out there to be clear with these particular things. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? If clear, give me a thumbs up, guys. Let me taste the thunder. Clear? Super. Okay. Now I'll take you how to draw the graphs of the modulus functions, right? It's a very interesting topic, right? Now I'll take you to the graphs of modulus functions. Everybody clear? है ना? मजा आने वाला, बहुत ही मजा आएगा, देखना भी. I'll teach you how to draw the graphs. If you haven't gone through the transformation of graphs wala series, go through them, because all of these things will be using today. So I want you guys to be clear with those concepts as well. Okay? अच्छा, और मैंने straight lines के graphs भी करवाए हुए हैं transformation of graphs के अलावा, so that also I'll be using today. So just go through them, guys. It will definitely help you in learning the concepts that we are understanding today and in the upcoming videos also. So go through them. Okay, I'm moving ahead. Okay, guys, superb. I want to draw the simplest modulus function which I know uska graph, right? Once I know that, जैसे मैंने y is equal to x square का ग्राफ सीख के I came to know how to draw the graphs of the any quadratic function सीखा था from this particular function, that is y is equal to mod x. I'll try to teach you guys how to draw the graphs of any function involving modulus. I hope you guys are ready with this. Okay, so first understand this one. What do we mean by this particular thing? We just got clear with this, right? क्या आया था? What y is equal to mod x को I can write, अगर अंदर वाला चीज है पॉजिटिव, अंदर क्या लिखा हुआ है? x. If x is greater than equal to 0, then I'll open the modulus by what? Plus sign, right or not? And if अंदर वाला चीज is negative, modulus के अंदर वाला चीज is negative, I'll open the modulus by what sign? Minus sign, that is minus x. Right or not? So what do I mean by this thing? For x greater than equal to 0, my y is equal to mod x का graph will be what? Y is equal to plus x का graph only. Clear? Only, है ना? Great. And for x less than 0, my y is equal to mod x का graph क्या हो जाएगा? Minus x. Y is equal to minus x का graph. I hope you guys know how to draw the graphs of y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. जानते हैं? नहीं जानते हैं? Go to the graphs of the linear function which I have already taught you, right? You will definitely able to understand this. All right, I'm taking a few basics out of that. I'll explain it a bit, right? तो जिन लोगों ने एक बार ही पढ़ा है ताकि उनका थोड़ा बहुत रिवीजन हो जाए, है ना? अच्छा, I'll quickly revise it here, है ना? y is equal to mx plus c, right? You guys know, आप क्लास 10 के अंदर ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 पढ़ के आए थे, linear equation in two variables, right? We can convert that particular thing into this. How? Taking ax to the right hand side and c to the right hand side, है ना? And dividing by b, we will get such kind of a form, right? y एक तरफ बचा लो, बाकी सबको एक तरफ भेज दो, y का कोएफिशिएंट पहले 1 बनाओ, ठीक है? You will reach to this form, right? और इसका ग्राफ भी नो ऑलवेज स्ट्रेट लाइन आता था, क्लास 10 के अंदर, भूल गए हो? हाँ, याद आ गया? ग्रेट, सुपर. तो इसका ग्राफ विल ऑल्सो बी स्ट्रेट लाइन बिकॉज दीज टू थिंग्स आर सेम. वी जस्ट हैव चेंज्ड दी फॉर्मेट ऑफ राइटिंग, राइट? है ना? हमने लिखने का तरीका ही बदला है और हमने कुछ थोड़ी किया है. ओके, तो इसका ग्राफ हमेशा स्ट्रेट लाइन आएगा. आई टोल्ड यू गाइस, इसके अंदर दो चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट होती थी. m, जिसको मैं बोलता था स्लोप, और दूसरी चीज जिसको मैं बोलता था c, which is written over here, and this c was what? Intercept on कहां पे? y axis. Why do I say that? जब मैं इस इक्वेशन के अंदर x का वैल्यू 0 डालता हूं, तो मुझे क्या मिलता है? y is equal to c, right? है ना? तो 0, c से the straight line will pass through that, right? And 0, c will always line on which line? always lies on which line? Y axis के ऊपर. That's why we call this as y intercept. Everybody clear? All right. So this point is already we know, है ना? अच्छा. M means what? Slope. And slope means tan theta. Tan theta. Theta क्या होता था? वो जो लाइन बनने वाली है वो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस के साथ, पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस के साथ कितना एंगल बना रही है इन दी काउंटर क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, और इसको हम एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन भी बोलते थे. एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन. जिसको ये चीजें नहीं पता है मैंने अभी क्विकली बता दी हैं. गो थ्रू द वीडियोस दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड दैट. These things are very important, guys, right? Okay, I'm moving ahead. All right. So in this expression, if you see, what is the value of C? What is the value of C? C का वैल्यू कितना है? इन दोनों को कंपेयर करो. 0. That means अगर I put x का वैल्यू as 0, y का वैल्यू will come out to be what? 0. That means this graph, this graph, that means the function of this graph will, the graph of this function will pass through 0, 0. Right or not? Right or not? And what is the slope? Slope is what? Which is written in front of x. What is written in front of x? x के front में क्या लिखा हुआ है? 1 लिखा हुआ है. तो slope is 1. Slope 1 यानी tan theta is equal to 1, यानी theta is equal to कितना? Theta is equal to 45 degree. Right or not? Right or not? Theta is equals to 45 degree. That means what? I'll have to draw a straight line which makes an angle 45 degree with the positive direction of x-axis, and counterclockwise. And the line I know should already pass from 0, 0. So will it look like this or not? Will it look like this or not? This will be 45 degree. Everybody agree with me or not? Everybody agree with me or not, guys? Okay. Why I am not drawing this graph in the नीचे? Why I am not drawing this graph नीचे? क्यों नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं? It's very important to understand, guys. Very important. Why I am not drawing the graph नीचे is because I have to take this y is equal to x. This y is equal to x का ग्राफ only for x greater than equal to 0. For x greater than equal to 0. और x कब पॉजिटिव होता है? y एक्सिस के राइट हैंड साइड में. y एक्सिस के, दिस इज y एक्सिस, y एक्सिस का राइट किधर हो गया? ये वाला पूरा रीजन, ये वाला पूरा रीजन, राइट? इसी में तो x पॉजिटिव होगा. y एक्सिस के लेफ्ट में तो x इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. दैट्स व्हाई मैं y एक्सिस के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मैंने ग्राफ नहीं बनाना है. एवरीबडी क्लियर और नॉट? Everybody clear or not clear? Superb, guys. Let's talk about this one now. Let's talk about this one. What is the value of C over here? C का वैल्यू कितना है? 0. That means this equation, इसका ग्राफ भी कहां से पास करेगा? जब x 0 डालोगे y कितना मिल जाएगा? y कितना मिल जाएगा? 0. That means ये भी 0, 0 से पास होगी. इसका स्लोप कितना लिखा हुआ है? x के आगे कितना लिखा हुआ है? -1. अगर स्लोप लिखा हुआ है -1, दैट मीन्स tan थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू -1. तो थीटा कितना हो जाएगा, गाइस? आई टोल्ड यू गाइस दैट इन द ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का लेक्चर्स ऑल्सो. कितना हो जाएगा? 135 डिग्री. जिनको नहीं आ रहा है समझ में, गो थ्रू दोज वीडियोस, राइट? यू विल डेफिनेटली लर्न. यार नहीं समझ में आए तो मुझे बताना. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, जस्ट सारी चीजें मैंने जो पढ़ाई हैं वो पढ़ लोगे तो चीजें हो जाएंगी आप लोगों के लिए बहुत आसान, और आप कर दोगे ईच एंड एवरीथिंग को किल. ठीक है, ग्रेट. सो दिस एंगल ओवर हियर इज 135 डिग्री, राइट? व्हाई? बिकॉज tan 135 डिग्री इज व्हाट? -1. एवरीबडी क्लियर? ऑलराइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट? This is my graph of y is equal to mod x. Y is equal to mod x का ग्राफ हो गया ये. अच्छा, इस ग्राफ को मैंने राइट हैंड साइड में क्यों नहीं बनाया? क्योंकि y एक्सिस के राइट हैंड साइड में x is always positive. तो मुझे y is equal to -x का ग्राफ किसके लिए बनाना था? Only for x less than 0. That's why. Everybody clear with these things or not? Everybody clear with these things or not? Give me a thumbs up guys if you got it. Got it? Superb, है ना? अब देखो, अब तो चीजें हो गई हैं और भी आसान. अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं draw me the graph of y is equal to mod x minus 3. What is the basic thing? Basic graph you know. Y is equal to mod x का graph you know. How to reach to this expression from this expression? How to reach to this expression from this expression? How will you reach guys? Quickly. x की जगह पे डाल दो, क्या डाल दो? x minus 3 इसमें डाल दो, इसमें डाल दो. Right or not? Right or not guys? है ना? ओके ग्रेट. सो डाल दो इसके अंदर x की जगह x minus 3, हर एक x की जगह क्या मिल जाएगा आपको? x minus 3 मिल जाएगा कि नहीं मिल जाएगा? और जब भी हम x की जगह डालते थे x minus 3 तो ग्राफ को किधर लेके जाते थे? किधर लेके जाते थे? राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट कर देते थे. किधर? हॉरिजॉन्टली, एज इफ समबडी इज पुशिंग इट. याद आया? राइट हैंड साइड में, है ना? ग्रेट. कैसे किया था देखते हैं अभी, है ना? देखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ y is equal to mod x which we know comes out to be like this, right or not? Which will come out to be like this. Quickly बताओ मेरे को, इतना क्लियर है कि नहीं है? थोड़ा सा ग्राफ को इधर लेके जाते हैं, सही जगह प्लेस नहीं हुआ, हो गया अभी, राइट, है ना? let's plot this thing as negative, this thing as x-axis, so I'll take it as a black one, right? Everybody clear? This was the graph of y is equal to mod x. We just drew the graph of y is equal to mod x, right or not? Right? This was origin here, origin था ये, ऐसा ही था ग्राफ. अच्छा, आप ध्यान से अगर देखो तो जो भी इसका आउटपुट आने वाला है, दिस x, अंदर तो मैं पॉजिटिव भी डाल सकता हूं, नेगेटिव भी डाल सकता हूं, यानी x का वैल्यू कैन बी एनीथिंग, पॉजिटिव भी नेगेटिव भी, राइट और नॉट? बट जो भी इससे आउटपुट आने वाला है दैट विल बी पॉजिटिव और नॉट, बिकॉज वी नो मॉड x इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. 0 कब होता है? जब आपने उसके अंदर 0 डाल दिया, राइट, है ना? एवरीबॉडी क्लियर? नेगेटिव तो नहीं आता कभी मॉड x का आउटपुट, बिकॉज मॉड का काम है हर नेगेटिव चीज को भी पॉजिटिव बनाना, पॉजिटिव को तो पॉजिटिव बनाता ही है. दैट मीन्स कि y का कभी मुझे नेगेटिव वैल्यू मिलेगा क्या? दैट मीन्स मुझे y का कभी नेगेटिव वैल्यू मिलेगा क्या? नहीं मिलेगा. तो ग्राफ के अंदर कभी भी y मेरा x एक्सिस के नीचे जा रहा है क्या? नहीं जा रहा है. कैन यू गाइज रिलेट विद दिस थिंग्स? ऑल राइट, सुपर. Okay, so now if you want to draw the graph of this particular thing, that is y is equal to mod of x minus 3, what we do? We simply push this graph by how many units? 3 units towards right. सही बात है कि नहीं है? सही बात है कि नहीं है? राइट, है ना? तो कर देते हैं. ग्राफ का शेप विल रिमेन व्हाट? ग्राफ का शेप विल रिमेन सेम, है ना? ये चीज पता है कि नहीं पता है? एवरीबडी नोज दिस थिंग. सुपर्ब गाइस, यू गाइस गोना किल इट यार. ओके, सो हाउ विल माय ग्राफ लुक लाइक इन दैट केस? माय ग्राफ विल लुक लाइक समथिंग दिस, राइट और नॉट गाइस? 3 यूनिट्स पुश कर दो. तो अर्लियर दिस पॉइंट वाज 0,0. इफ आई पुश ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट ऑन दिस ग्राफ by 3 units, I'll reach to new graph, right or not? So if I push this particular value by 3 units, I'll reach to 3,0 or not? This thing if I push 3 units towards right, I'll get this point, and so on. Right or not guys? Right or not? So how will my graph look like? This blue one, right? This point over here is 3,0. If I want to know what is this point where my graph is intersecting, my graph of mod of x minus 3 is intersecting y-axis. y-axis पे क्या 0 होता है? y-axis पे 0 होता है x. तो एक्सिस के अंदर 0 करवा दो, आपको y का कितना वैल्यू मिलेगा? mod of -3 कितना होता है? 3. So this will be 0,3. Again I'm telling you guys, this angle right over here will be same 45 degree, and this angle right over here will be same 135 degree, because we did nothing but we plucked the red wala graph like this and put it 3,0 पे उस कॉर्नर को, दैट्स इट. हमने ग्राफ का कोई भी शेप चेंज नहीं किया. सो डायरेक्टली वी केम टू नो व्हाट इज द ग्राफ ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू mod ऑफ x माइनस 3. एवरीबडी क्लियर विद दिस थिंग्स और नॉट? Clear or not? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you got it. Okay, I'll take one more example, guys. I'll take one more example for you people out there. Okay, superb. Superb, guys. You guys gonna kill it, yeah? Okay. Y is equal to mod x plus 1. If I want to draw the graph of this. How to reach to this graph? If I know the graph of this expression, I'll simply put y के जगह पे क्या? Y minus 1, right or not? Right or not? So what I'll get if I put y के जगह पे y minus 1 in this expression, this one, then what I'll get? Y is equal to mod x plus 1, right or not? I'll be able to reach this expression or not? Right? So that means I can draw the graph of this expression from this one, right? How will I do this? How will I do this? आप सोचेंगे जल्दी से, मैं तब तक अपनी बेसिक प्रिपरेशन कर लेता हूँ. ओके, सबसे पहले मैं बना रहा हूँ y is equal to mod x का ग्राफ. क्विकली सोचिए सभी, मैंने बताई हुई ये चीज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्राफ्स के अंदर, है ना? हाँ, कुछ लोग बताने भी लगे हैं. सुपर सुपर गाइस, मजा आ गया, है ना? दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू mod x, है ना? y इज इक्वल टू mod x का ग्राफ है ये वाला. मुझे बनाना है y इज इक्वल टू mod x प्लस 1 का ग्राफ, राइट? व्हाट आई डू, ग्राफ को एक यूनिट किधर ऊपर शिफ्ट कराऊं या नीचे? ऊपर शिफ्ट कराऊं या नीचे? y को डाला y माइनस 1, दैट मीन्स ग्राफ को एक यूनिट ऊपर शिफ्ट करा दूंगा तो आई विल रीच टू द ग्राफ ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन न्यू वाला. कैसा आ जाएगा देखना जरा ध्यान से. शेप ऑफ द ग्राफ विल रिमेन सेम, सिर्फ उठा के एक यूनिट डाल दो ऊपर, आपका हो जाएगा काम. सो माई ग्राफ विल लुक लाइक समथिंग लाइक दिस, ऐसा दिखेगा. एवरीबडी क्लियर और नॉट? अच्छा, कुछ लोग बोलेंगे सर ये ऊपर जाके खत्म हो रहा है क्या? नहीं हो रहा है यार, ऊपर ये इनडेफिनेटली चलता रहेगा, मतलब बढ़ आगे 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 चलता रहेगा. बिकॉज लाइन्स आर नेवर एंडिंग. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, लाइन्स आर नेवर एंडिंग. रेज एक पॉइंट से शुरू होती है, दूसरे पे खत्म हो जाती है, और लाइन सेगमेंट दोनों पॉइंट पे एंड कर जाती है. एंड दीज आर लाइन्स, right? These are lines, so they will be never ending. Okay, so earlier this point was 0, 0. If I'm pushing this graph vertically, my x coordinate will change. होगा क्या? नहीं होगा. सिर्फ क्या चेंज होगा? y का वैल्यू. Since I'm taking this graph vertically upwards, so this point which was earlier 0, 0 will be now 0, 1, right or not, guys? Each and every point on the earlier wala graph will be pushed upwards by how many units? How many units? 1 unit. Everybody got it? Everybody got it or not? Everybody got it or not? So this new graph, this green wala graph over here is of y is equal to mod x plus 1. I hope the concepts that I taught you guys today, you guys got each and everything, right? If you are lacking any concept, again go through this video and also to the previous videos, you'll be able to get each and everything, right? Okay? And any doubt, do let me know in the comment section, because I want you guys to learn these things so that you can master the things which will be coming to you in the future days, right or not, guys? Okay? Do let me know how did you like this video. All right, thank you so much. Bye.